The MFP program helped me with my graduate degree by making sure that I was focused on what I was trying to focus on. That's an odd way of saying that because I was very focused in my work. But until you actually see real experts at a national level focus on a single program, a single problem, using a single program, they also expanded my horizons. I was able to see a national and international perspective on the work. So I guess if I were going to say one thing about how the MFP program helped me, I would say that the MFP program took me seriously. And when they took me seriously, I had to take myself seriously and take this work seriously. And we did.